This is the GMC Savana third brake light backup camera, SKU 40273. It's designed to replace the stock third brake light that comes with your GMC van. Keeps the functionality of the third brake light with the addition of a rear view camera. This full color camera features auto night vision, which means the darker it gets outside, the more the night vision is active. It can automatically pop on when you go in reverse or stay active when you're driving down the road. It does both. Upgrade this to wireless with an additional transmitter sold separately. Easy to install and reliable to use, this would be a great addition to any van or fleet. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,400 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!